As we learn about monitoring sessions, you will find that GoGuardian is a robust platform. There are so many features and tools available to educators, it can become overwhelming. So take implementation in bits and pieces, learning more as you become confident on the basics. We are going to move away from the blue actions bar and look at some of the additional tools and features available. The first tab off of the main dashboard being Timelines. In Timelines, you will see a scrolling bar of student activity in real time. It can be a good view during assessments to quickly see if there is an interruption in what should be a solid block on a singular site. The Screenshots tab is where any screenshot you take of a student device is stored. You can download these screenshots or save them to your Google Drive. These can be helpful if you find a student accessing notes during an assessment or maybe consistently being off task during class. The Call Students tab is another way of presenting your screen to student devices. While there are remote instruction options, this is primarily used to share lecture and presentation notes directly to student devices, keeping the students in sync with the teacher material. Pear Deck is a by-subscription-only tool that launches directly from the GoGuardian session. It is a way to deliver interactive notes, formative assessments, videos, and more. If you are interested in Pear Deck, reach out to your educational technologist. Finally, the Check-in tab is where you can get a quick gauge on how your students are feeling on a given day or class period. To initiate the check-in, click the blue Start Check-in button. This will send a prompt to student devices, allowing them to pick an emoji that best describes how they are feeling. Check-in responses will appear on your student list as students submit their emojis. Moving over to the right are two toggle switches that provide some advanced functionality. We've covered sending announcements to an individual or whole class, but sending announcements is not the only way to communicate with students. On the main dashboard, you can also toggle the chat feature on. This enables you to chat directly with students, and for students to chat with the teacher. Next to the chat toggle is another tool you can toggle on or off. This is the Off Task Alerts. When toggled on, you will see an off-task notification at the bottom of your screen for any student the system detects is not on task. Using this tool does require you to set a class subject and sensitivity level so the system knows what type of content the student should be working on and how much time off task should trigger an alert. As you can see, there is a lot of functionality at your fingertips to help keep your students on task during class time. A quick and easy way to do this is by creating and applying scenes. You'll learn how to do this in an upcoming module.